Okay, so, like, look at this little fucker. Right here. Claude, what the hell are you doing in my house? Seriously, the fucker is in the bathroom. His head is reaching out a little bit. Ugh. Look at him, he's ugly. What? Spider. Yep. I don't know what kind of spider it is. Kind of looks like a brown recluse. If that's the case, I better get the fuck away from it. Whatever. I've been bit by a brown recluse. It's not fun. You probably can't see him well because my camera is a piece of shit. Well, yep. See myself. It's like 2 in the morning. So, yeah. There's also a spider on my ceiling, but you wouldn't be able to see him. So, bye.